So you need something that's safe, so it doesn't cost a ton on insurance, fun, so you don't fall asleep driving it like you do in class, and be a looker. So when you're on your prom date, you're confident. This list has something for everyone, even if you're not a student. I'm Brad, this is Idealist. Like and subscribe. Let's go. And real quick, there's nothing like a little Huracan Performante V10 in the morning. Okay, if you've ever imagined yourself turning heads in a jaw-dropping supercar, you are in the right place. Sign up for the Ideal Collective. Right now, it is completely free, and I've linked to it in the pinned first comment down below. And just by signing up, you'll be the first to know about the first Ideal car giveaway ever. Spots are limited, so sign up today. Again, it's in the pinned first comment, and now, back to the show. BMW 335i. The BMW 335i, equipped with the N54 engine, is an enticing choice for a student looking for a fun first car, especially for those interested in performance and tuning. Plus, who can resist a powerful twin-turbo inline six-cylinder, which delivers a robust 300 horsepower right out of the gate? With a relatively simple $500 tune though, this figure can hit 400 horses, making it essentially irresistible for anyone that wants a blank canvas to modify. And you can get 700 horses out of it with the right parts, all with a proper 6-speed manual, baby. Oh, and remember, this is a BMW, so it has performance for days, but it actually still offers a lot of luxury and refinement. If you're a student who wants to earn extra credit by learning how to work on your car, the 335i has a huge cult following. So, learning how to fix or modify it is just a Google search away, or ChatGPT if you're already using it for your homework. Now, handling and performance doesn't come at the expense of comfort, as the 335i still offers the luxury and refinement BMW is known for. The driving experience is thrilling and responsive, a joy for any automotive enthusiast. Here's a minty sedan for $4,500. Subaru WRX. Okay, a Subaru is a standout choice for a student seeking a sporty and enjoyable first car, known for its combination of performance, reliability, and unique style. One of the WRX's defining features is that turbocharged Boxer 4, which offers a hearty amount of power, providing a thrilling and responsive driving experience. The car's symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures that the power is translated to the road with A+ precision, allowing the driver to feel in control and engaged, whether cruising on the highway or doing donuts in your school's parking lot. JK, don't ever do that. Now, aftermarket support is plentiful, and since it's a turbo, you can add power on the cheap. Just don't go as crazy as you would with the 335i. The boys over at Donut had issues with a few of their engines in their cars, pushing it to the limits. So, I like the fact that you can get these in a sedan or a wagon if you need more room for backseat activities. Get a capable, sporty, impressive WRX for $4,000 and let that Boxer rumble. BMW E46 330i ZHP. Okay, we've just hit you with two turbo cars, so let's change gears with the E46. Yeah, and we all know the M3, but those are out of our budget and didn't come in 4 doors. Plus, they made like 85,000 of them. So, you want something special, right? Well, they only made 14,000-ish ZHPs. Essentially, it is a baby M3, and the perfect score for a student looking for a fun, stylish, and engaging first car. At the heart of the ZHP package is the performance-tuned version of BMW's inline-six engine, which not only produces more horsepower, but also delivers a more responsive throttle and a more aggressive exhaust note. Yeah, that sounds good. Also, coupled with a sportier suspension setup, exclusive M aerodynamics, and larger wheels, the ZHP package transforms the already capable 330i into a true driver's car. The handling is sharp and precise, and this one is sure to impress the teachers. So, the ZHP is pretty much the valedictorian when it comes to the ideal car for students, and you can snag this special BMW for less than $5,000. And if you're enjoying this video real quick, slap the like button, it really helps us out. Next, 3rd Gen Acura TL Type S. The 3rd generation Acura TL Type S is a terrific choice for a student who wants a blend of sporty performance, luxury, and reliability in their first car. First and foremost, the TL Type S is powered by a robust 3.2-liter V6 engine that provided a spirited 260 horsepower. The engine's performance, paired with a well-tuned suspension, makes for an engaging driving experience. Now, the Type S trim adds sportier tuning, giving the car a more aggressive feel without sacrificing comfort. And come on, it's almost criminal how good these things look modified. Remember that Acura, well, it's Honda's luxury division, ensuring that the TL Type S doesn't skimp on amenities. Inside, you'll find leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and other luxury features that an honor student would approve of. So for students on a budget, which, I mean, all students, that means lower maintenance and repair costs in the long run. Because, let's face it, under the hood, it's just a Honda. And here's one for $4,200. Infiniti G35. Okay, the Infiniti G35 is a solid all-around pick here at Ideal. At the heart of the Infiniti G35's appeal is its performance-driven character. Equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces around 280 horses, depending on the year and trim level, the G35 delivers strong acceleration and a lively driving experience. Its rear-wheel drive architecture, with optional all-wheel drive in some models, contributes to a balanced and engaging ride that's well-suited for spirited driving. For those interested in exploring the limits of their vehicle or simply enjoying a spirited drive, the G35 is more than up for the task. And, like the BMWs on this list, its sporty character is nicely blended with upmarket design and quality. The G35's exterior styling is sleek and sophisticated, and inside, the cabin is well appointed with luxurious materials and features. For students who appreciate aesthetics and comfort, the G35 should be on your shortlist. And while the sedan, yeah, it's more practical, the coupe version is more of a jock. Infiniti, as Nissan's luxury division, has a reputation for building really reliable cars. The G35 is generally considered to be a dependable option. Peep an Infiniti G for under $5,000. Mitsubishi 3000 GT. The Mitsubishi 3000 GT, also known as the GTO in Japan, and the Dodge Stealth here in America, is a sports car that was produced from 1990 to 2001. And I gotta stop right there, because if a high level of reliability is a must, well, go ahead and skip to the next car. And hold on, if you're looking for a fun, affordable car that makes for the perfect pet project, well, you should really consider the 3000 GT. First and foremost, the 3000 GT's appearance is bold and it's aggressive, featuring those beautiful pop-up headlights in earlier models and a sleek aerodynamic design. Its distinct look ensures that it stands out on the road and resonates with who appreciate the aesthetics of classic 90s sports cars. Performance-wise, the 3000 GT comes in several variations, including the base model, the SL, and the high-performance VR4. The VR4 in particular is known for its turbocharged V6 engine, all-wheel drive system, and four-wheel steering. But even the non-turbo versions provide a satisfying drive with decent power and handling. Inside, the 3000 GT offers a cockpit-like interior that complements its sporty outsides, and its 90s charm can make it an enjoyable ride for those who are drawn to its character. However, it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially those looking for something economical and low maintenance. If the appeal of owning a distinctive and fun-to-drive sports car outweighs the potential challenges, yeah, the 3000 GT could be a rewarding choice that adds a touch of excitement to the everyday drive. Here's an SL ready to go for $4,500. Subaru 2.5 RS. So you like the idea of the 3000 GT, but you need something that is just a wee bit more practical. Well, welcome the Subaru 2.5 RS. The 2.5 RS is the baby WRX that we got here in the States before the full-blown WRX was available. Its attractive sporty design mimics the appearance of Subaru's rally cars of the time. The large rear spoiler, hood scoop that unfortunately is non-functional in the 2.5 RS, and the aggressive stance give it a unique and appealing look, especially for fans of motorsports heritage. While not as powerful as the turbocharged WRX, 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine in the 2.5 RS offers respectable performance, with more than sufficient power for daily driving, and it's fun without having to be too overwhelming for a new driver. Like all Subarus, it's all-wheel drive, which means that you won't get to blame the weather for being late for class, but you can still blame your dog if he ate your homework. And plus, it's available as both a coupe and sedan, which means you get to pick between ultimate looks or ultimate practicality. And while, like the other Subaru on this list, you'll need to set aside some extra money for potential engine issues, these cars have a tremendously strong following in the car community, meaning there's an absolute wealth of knowledge and support available. From online forums and Facebook groups to local car clubs and specialty repair shops, the 2.5 RS offers a blend of sporty character, practicality, and all-wheel drive capability that makes it an attractive choice for a student's first car. And here's a fun one for $4,550. Acura RSX. Okay, the Acura RSX, produced from 2002 to 2006, is a sports car that presents an excellent combination of style, performance, and reliability, making it a noteworthy choice for a student's first car. The RSX sports a sleek and modern design that can still turn heads today. Its coupe shape and aggressive lines give it a sporty and youthful appearance, perfect for the student who wants a car with a bit of flair. With two main trim levels, the base and the more performance-oriented Type S, the RSX offers a variety of driving experiences. The Type S, with its high-revving VTEC engine, provides a spirited and engaging drive, while the base model offers a more balanced and easygoing ride. Under the Acura badge ensures a robust and dependable machine. The RSX is well known for its longevity with proper care and maintenance. And though sporty, the RSX doesn't compromise too much on practicality. The rear hatch and folding seats provide some flexibility in terms of cargo space. And the interior, though compact, is well designed and offers a good level of comfort and features for its age. It's reliable, it's efficient, it's cost effective, and it should definitely be considered a first car option. Check out this 2004 model for $1 under our 5K limit. So, those are today's picks for the best first fun cars for students. Which car are you leaning towards? Which car did we miss? Personally, I'd go for that ZHP, but that's just me. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and turn on that notification bell after you subscribe if you're new. Also, check out this Ideal vid up here or whatever YouTube recommends next. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.